extract table from a URL. Suppose, so we can see in this Wikipedia file, so there are some table. So we can see here these are the some table, and there are some data records are placed there. So I want, so there are parameter description type is there. So I want, so we want these data. How to convert these table into data frame? So import pandas as pd.read html, copy the link of this page. So this is the URL link, control C, control V, and so since there are lot of so there are many table in this URL, so we will get a list of table. So table list, okay, given name table list equal to pd.read html and the link of URL. Run this cell. Successfully executed. We can see here length of table list, length of table list. So execute. There are 12 table in this list. We can see here. So how to get the table? So the first table has the first table. There is no records are there. So in the way we can type other index values. So there are 12, total 12 table. So I want to get the last table. So we can say in the last table these are the records. Okay. So second last table underscore list hyphen 2. So second last table. So we can see here in the second last table. So we can see here. So these are the all records. So if we want to separate this table record in a new data frame. Okay, so we can see a new df dot save. So in this table there are total 25 record, 6 column. We can see here new df dot head. These are the records. Parameter first, parameter second, description, type, status. Okay, so in this way we can extract table from any given URL.